Okay, we're on number 4. You need to write this equation with me. The equation for number 4 is 1.94x minus 10 over 8x plus 4.32 equals, on the top of a fraction bar, 2 times 1.15x plus 8.5, close it. On the bottom was a 5. Now your notes for equations, the very top of it said to clean up equations, and it gave you an order. It said get rid of parentheses, get rid of fractions, get rid of decimals. So we do that in that order. To get rid of these parentheses, you were to distribute the 2 to both terms by multiplying. So I'm going to bring this first part of the equation down. Now I'm going to multiply 2 times 1.15x. You would get 2.3x. Next I'm going to multiply 2 times 8.5. That gives you a positive 17. Copy down the fraction bar and the 5 on the bottom. The second step was to get rid of the fractions. So I have to multiply everything by 40. So whenever I multiply 1.94x times 40, I now have 77.6x. I'm going to bring down that subtraction sign. I'm going to do 10 over 8x times 40. You could cancel. The 40 and the 8 both divide by 8. Now all that I have is 5 times 10x, so you get 50x. I'm going to multiply 4.32 by 40 and get 172.8. I'm going to multiply this whole term by 40. So let me put the time 40 back here, put it over 1. Now you're going to cancel with the 5 and the 40. They both divide by 5. It's going to leave you with an 8 up here. So I have all of this times 8. Again, you're going to be distributing. So 8 times the first term is 18.4x. 8 times 17 is 136. Now we would want to get rid of the decimals. All of these that have decimals only go to the tenths place. So I'm going to multiply everything by 10. That's going to give me 776x because it got rid of the decimal. Multiply 50x by 10. Now I have 500x. Plus 1,728 equals 184x plus, I have to multiply this one by 10 to get 1,360. Now it's much easier. I have no parentheses, no fractions, no decimals. I need to combine like terms. Over there on the left side of the equal sign, I have an x term and an x term. I need to combine them. So 776 minus 500 gives me 276x. I'm going to bring everything else down. Now the variables on both sides of the equation. I'm always going to pick the smaller one and I'm going to make it go away. 184 is smaller So minus 184x on both sides. That's going to leave you with 92x. Now the variable is only on one side. I'm going to look beside it. I do not want that 1728 to be there, so I need to subtract it. A positive and a negative will cancel out. That's a zero pair. I have 92x equals a negative 368. Now, since they are multiplying by 92, I will divide by 92 to get x is equal to negative 4.